Cary Car Care was started in 1990 by my dad, Paul Lambdin. He actually partnered with another gentleman, Doug Wilson, who saw a need for honest repair needs in this community. So they opened Cary Car Care at that point, and we grew into this 10,000 square foot building. We have 15 bays now, 14 employees. Deciding that we had a passion for working with people, helping them with their needs, and giving back to the community. We like to educate our clients through the repair process. Our service advisors and our team is really honing in on not just what is necessary to get from point A to point B, but what is necessary to keep this vehicle safe for the families in this community. So we really consider families, they have car seats in the back, they're taking their kids to school. We want to make sure that that vehicle is going to last them for the long term. So we have conversations with our clients about not just what is needed today, but what's needed next visit, what's needed in 30,000 miles, so we can plan and prepare for those visits as well. Mighty Auto Parts has really been a staple in our business. It's allowed us to keep things in stock and available to our clients so that they know that we can provide reliable service. So when they have needs, we're able to deliver on those needs. The people are my favorite part of Mighty. We work with some really great folks who are dependable, reliable. They're able to foresee things that we need, bring in stocked parts, and then really help us prepare for those clients' needs. Ed is our Mighty rep. He's been with us for years, which is fantastic because it can be difficult when you go from one person to the next. So that really creates a streamlined process for us. If we have any concerns, we can go straight to Ed. He fixes things. One of the things about Ed that stands out to me is we had our 25th anniversary 5 years ago now, and we did a huge cookout for all of our clients, for our employees, and we had a lot of vendor involvement, and Ed was the first one to say, what can I do for Cary Car Care? What is it that you guys need? He brought food, he came actually himself, participated in that, and that was a huge, just encouraging incident that I will always remember.